सो व्हाट इफ आई टोल्ड यू आप अपने लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर, पीसी या लोकल सिस्टम में मोस्ट पावरफुल एआई मॉडल को रन कर सकते हैं दैट विल एक्चुअली होल्ड्स योर मेमोरी विद द कंटेक्स्ट, और इसके लिए आपको कुछ अलग से क्लाउड मॉडल्स, वेबसाइट या सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. सो ऑल दिस इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज गूगल हैज़ जस्ट लॉन्च देयर न्यू मॉडल विच इज़ नोन एज जेमा 4, और इट्स अ मोस्ट पावरफुल टूल जिसको आप अपने लोकली रन कर सकते हैं. सो इन दिस वीडियो हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि ये जेमा 4 मॉडल एक्चुअली है क्या, और हम इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखेंगे कैसे हम इसको हमारे लोकल सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, सब्सक्राइब इट नाउ, हिट अ लाइक button and share with your friends. So let's get into it. So Gemma 4 model is one of the kind of family of a open source model which is just launched by Google, and it's the most powerful thing. It's basically it's designed for the people who want to just launch or who want to just stay in the system locally by running their open source model into their system. Okay, so let's say if you're running some systems in your cloud, the data is stored in their server, so there is a lack of privacy and you can heard lot of things that your data is leaked and all that. But if you run all that open source model into your local system, your all security, your privacy, all are in your hands. Okay, so Gemma 4 has just launched in 4 different models, so we will see in this. Okay, so this are the 4 models you can see in the screen, and the basically which I was thinking, like it's all depends on your computer memory, computer RAM, the speed, the graphic card and all the things. So there are some parameters which are multilingual, Q&A, reasoning, processing, mathematics skills, coding properties, and all the things are benchmark for the any LLM model. So we're not going for that, but the thing is it's all depend on the thing, like so this Gemma 4 E4BIT is typically all the models are working in all the computers. Like if you have a decent computer with around 8 GB of RAM, a good processor and a decent graphic card, so I'll suggest you to just download this Gemma 4 model E4BIT. Okay, and if you have some high graphic systems which are for designing, for processing, for gaming and like this stuff, so 26B is a good model for you. Can install it and it will run smoothly in your computer. But the thing is the advanced model which is Gemma 4 31BIT, which is advanced in all parameters. It uses lots of memory, it needs lots of good graphic cards and system and processor, and it also prove itself in a benchmark of third. Here you can see is a benchmark where this all things like Gemma 4 is a third place by GLM model, which is of a ChatGPT model. So Gemma 4 31B you can see here is a benchmark relevant to third place like this. And if we use this E4B comes between the here, right? So it's not like that you can use E4B is very low model or something like that. No, it's a good model. You can use it in any relevant source, in any relevant decent work or to do, right? So first we see how we can use the Gemma 4 model if you want to straight dive into it without any installation in your local system. Okay, so you just go to Google and write in the search bar is Gemma 4, and you will see this first link. Just go to this first link, or you can also search AI Studio, and for running you can go for AI Studio. Okay, so you can learn all the things by here. And also one more thing, you can also run this model in your phone, so it is how optimized and how more memory efficient this model is made by Google, right? So if you come to this Google AI Studio, okay, just go to first link and I just go here. After that you can see here Gemini 3's flash preview. Okay, I just click here and you can select Gemma here. So there are two models, is 31B IT and there is 26B A4B IT, right? So I just select 26B A4B, right? And you see selected model is right this. Okay, so now what I do, I just give one prompt and you will see how efficient is this. So I just made a prompt here. I just go copy here and I just paste here. By the way, all the links of the prompt and this site link is just provided in this description, so go and check it out. Okay, so I just run and enter, just run this. So let's see how effectively I just try to explain me how to make an AI automation using NNet and lead generation. Keep it simple and detailed, step by step guide. Okay, so to be you can see the goal you have here, the AI lead submit form, type form, Google form. Okay, so is saying that prerequisite is NNet account and step by step is giving all the things like a trigger. So if you know, if you have used N8N, so you know what is trigger, what is research and AI brains, right? So create an Google form sheet, add a Google sheet trigger, event row add कर दो, उसमें connect a Google account spreadsheet and add a row. So it's a good AI brain में you can use open AI models like GPT-4o, or you can use anything else. So you can see all the things are in details, is given detail answered with the input device. So I guess it's a relevant good thing if you run this in a locally, and also it's given relevant result in the cloud also. I want to show you one more thing. The image reading capability of this model is very good, so I want to show that too. Here I just paste this and explain me that what process is shown, what process is shown in this image. Okay, so see, the image you have provided illustrate the process of RAG, okay, retrieval augmented generation. So it explaining very well the preparation and all the things. So I also want to show you that very good image processing quality, right? So let's jump into how to install in your local system, which is very important. So just go for Ollama. So those who don't know what is Ollama is a library of open source model which you can use in your local system and download all the models which are available in there in your locally. Okay, so it's a very useful website. Just go to ollama.com and sign into your Google account, and you will see this screen, and just go for download, and it gives access to all the my operating system like Mac OS. For Windows you have just exe file, you can download it. So after install it, you just go for models, or if you want to install the particular model, so you can see for model selecting, you can go for Gemma for model, and after that you will see this thing, Ollama run Gemma 4. Okay, I just go here. So I'll show you two ways how to use Ollama model. So I just go for Ollama. First of all, it will a desktop preview thing which you can see, or I just go here, and you will see this window will pop up, and here you can select the models which you want to know, like Gemma 4. Gemma 4, right? So all the Gemma 4 models are here. Okay, I just got there are different models, like latest is 9 GB, E2B is 7 GB, and all this thing. I just want to just download this Gemma 4 EB, right? And 26B is around 18 GB, so it's according to your usage and your memory, you can use whatever you want to. So I just go for this EB, right? So EB E2B, right? So I just download it from here, right? So, and another thing, if you want to use like to EBA, just go and click here and copy this command, go to cmd, right, and just paste it in your cmd, and it will start downloading in your local system. So for now we just use in this desktop application. Okay, so I have some few prompts in my which I want to use, which is just paste it here. I just copy paste. Okay, yeah, so I just paste the prompt with I just paste the prompt for testing, like how we test this model is very good or not in our local system. So just we write a code for making a simple developer portfolio landing page, keep it a UI simple, and use the animation. I just enter it and see how it goes and replies all the code thing, and we also run this thing in in our system. So first of all, it will download the model, which is around 6.7 GB, and after that the whole process will be start in your locally. So let's wait for how it completes. It depends on internet speed, its memory, and all. So wait for that. Okay, the model is downloaded into my system, and you can see it also generated the what prompt you have given. I have given that make me a simple developer portfolio for landing page and keep it UI simple. So this is a complete modern UI for HTML, CSS, and little bit of JavaScript. Okay, and you need to fix 3 files, the index.html, style or CSS, and JavaScript, right? And he'll give a pretty good thing about it, and he's still writing the code. Till then we will make a folder that actually help us to analyze the thing. Okay, so I just fastly make the folder and open it to Visual Code. So I just create 3 files here. So he's just making 3 files. Okay, done. So I just copy the HTML first here. Okay, I just copy the whole thing. Okay, so he writes all CSS, JavaScript, and the HTML thing. I just copy here. Okay, and I just run my go live. Okay, it's pretty good thing. It's made a decent as we give the prompt, right? And we can give here, you know, a good name here, passionate software developer, view my work. He just go to downside a few, you know, soft animation is given like hover, something like this. So it's pretty good, like decent thing we can see. He makes a pretty good thing. Okay, so I guess it's a nice decent portfolio which is made by, you know, Gemma 4, and it's responsive also. You can see here all the skills are mentioned, plus the project you can see that live demo and all the things. So it's pretty good thing, right? And it's responsive too, and also do lot of things. If you give a lot of, you know, tools and access to this, you can connect with an MCP server, you can give an agents, and lots of things you can do, right? Okay, so that's the whole part I want to discuss with you. It's amazing model, you can use it a lot of things. You can also provide images and all, so he can also web search for you. So it's amazing model, you can try in your locals if you have a problem of accessing the tokens, subscription, and lots more. So I want you to try this at least once a time. If you not possible for local system, you can just go to Google AI Studio and try by on yourself. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, just go and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon and share with your friends, and do a like if you like this video. Okay, so we'll see you next video. Until, keep coding, keep smiling, bye.